Hi guys, before we start this video, I have an announcement. From now on this channel, The Daisy Way, I will be doing only the cooking videos, and you will see my other channels for gardening videos and my vlogs on the screen now. I had to do this because the channel wasn't doing very well. There's too many different types of contents in there. So I hope to see you in my other channels as well. See you soon. Enjoy the video. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. But as you can see, it's very messy and untidy. Lots needs doing, so come on, let's get started. If you want to keep your worktop clean and tidy, you must always put all the washed and dried dishes and utensils away. Have an allocated space for each item, so whenever you need it, you can just go straight to the place and get it. To enjoy my chores in the kitchen, I always have a little music on and even do a little dance when I feel like it. It just makes it all a little bit easier. I'm next going to clean the kitchen worktop using the disinfectant and antibacterial solution. I am wearing a pair of gloves while cleaning, guys, because this solution really irritates my skin. If you cook a lot, guys, just like we do, you might find that there's oil deposits on top of furniture, in corners of the worktop and the handles of your cupboard. So use degreaser cleaning solution to just remove those greasy deposits and then wipe it off to make it shine. The next tip, guys, are to change your sponges and scour sponges regularly. These can be changed anything between 2 weeks to 1 month, all depending on how often you use them. After these sponges are used, you need to make sure that you wash them and dry them so they don't breed germs. If you have any leftover food, make sure you empty it in a smaller container with a lid and put it in the fridge. Then you can wash those utensils, dry them and put them away as well. Kitchen is much tidier already. I will now quickly move on to the larder cupboard. I've got lots of spices and pulses there that needs to be tidied up. So I've got these dedicated boxes. Those 4 on the right corner of the screen have been bought from Lidl's. They were £5 for 4 boxes. They're really good. So what I'm doing is putting each of my pulses in the big containers and labeling them with permanent markers. Thus you know exactly where the things are, and because these boxes are see-through, you can see exactly what's in them. Like this, everything will look tidy and it will be really easy to find. I do the same for my teas and coffees. I do have a dedicated container and a cupboard where I keep them. As you will see, we do buy a lot of teas, and particularly when we go traveling, we bring back loads with us. The next thing left to do is the floor, sweeping and mopping. I'm sure you're intrigued with my broom. This is the one that we use in the east, so I managed to get one here. I always mop the kitchen floor with very warm water. I add a little bit of the floor cleaning solution to the water. This just makes the dirt comes off the floor more easily, and also disinfect the floor. I'm sure you all got your eyes on my very fancy mop and bucket. It's quite special actually. All you do is put your wet mop in there and then press on the pedal powered wringer. It spins it and dries the mop head. You don't even have to touch it and the job is done. go, guys. Kitchen is looking much cleaner and much tidier. It didn't take too long, but it looks lovely. So I'm now going to start cooking my evening meal. In today's meal, I'm cooking tarka dal using red lentils. I'm adding some spinach to it, and also cooking baby potatoes cut in slices, fried with red chili and onion. I've also added some curry leaves just to flavor it. I'm also making a rice. To do all three dishes, it took me around 35 to 40 minutes, so that wasn't too bad. All I have to do now is make myself a cup of coffee and enjoy it on the sofa watching Netflix. I do hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.